If you put something into Dropbox and you want to be sure that it actually got to Dropbox and that it will be on your work computer when you get there, this tip is for you. I'm going to show you how to check so that you know for sure if that file made it into Dropbox. There are two main places to check to make sure that your file goes into Dropbox. One is on your Mac itself, and one is on the Dropbox website. On your Mac, if you just go to the Finder and then click on Dropbox on the left, this is where Dropbox is actually linked with your Mac. If you don't have it linked with your Mac, I'll show you how to do that at the end of this video. And just look for the little green check marks next to the stuff that is in the Dropbox. And when you add something new, it'll actually show a different icon. It's a little blue upload thing. You can also check the menu here, the Dropbox menu down at the bottom, and it'll show you the status and how much time is left for the upload. And so that's how you check it on your Mac to make sure that the file is actually going to Dropbox. Now you get that nice little check mark. And then if you actually go to the Dropbox website where you type in www.dropbox.com, sign in as you, and then when you hit the home button, you'll see that new file is actually in Dropbox. And now you know for sure that it's there and you'll be able to access it from your work. And if you don't have Dropbox installed on your Mac, it's really easy. Just go to the Dropbox website like this, hit the little face in the top right, and then click Install. And that will actually install Dropbox onto your Mac. So now you know exactly how to make sure that you don't lose that file and that you have access to it from your work. Boom, Mac Epiphany. If that blew your mind and you want more, get the best of the best from macinhome.com/shortcuts.